Okay, perhaps if you are into investigating strange things, you will have heard of the strange sky noises that have been going on, as far as we know, for the last 5 years or so, perhaps even longer. Which goes without saying how shocked we were when last Saturday we heard the weirdest sound that actually matched a lot of the sounds. If you Google strange sky sounds on YouTube, you will find a very similar sound. Unfortunately, what was really strange is that when I recorded, went out with the camera to record the sounds, it was loud, but when I went to put it into the Movie Maker program and enhance the audio, it's still, you can only hear it a little bit. So it actually was repeating itself. So I made a couple of repeat frames of the video of where the sound only is. And then later it came back about an hour and it was actually 3:33. For anybody who knows, that's a whole other strange phenomena that's been going on. Um, and anyway, so listen very carefully and you might hear it. Sorry if you don't, but it really was a lot louder than you can even hear on this video, and it actually went longer. So I want to know what you think. Okay, so I don't know what you thought or if you caught any of that, but be curious to know if anybody's heard anything similar who actually lives in Ontario or Thunder Bay or anywhere around the world. There are a lot of examples on the internet, and we do have Lake Superior in front of us. You could actually see it from our home, but it definitely wasn't boat horns or train horns or anything like that. So if anybody who's wondering, it wasn't. My husband grew up around trains, and he's been a Thunder Bayite forever. So it wasn't anything familiar at all, and the sound was actually inconsistent, where sometimes it was longer, shorter. I just wish it would have captured it a lot better. For some reason, even recording it and it was loud, it just didn't show up. So hope that gave something. Yeah, we're not insane, so it might seem that way from posting something like this, but it really happened, and it's really bizarre. So just curious what people think.